Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to summon ally in Dota 2 demo. This is useful for testing combos, abilities, or interactions without real players. First, start a demo hero session in Dota 2. You will see multiple options on the left-hand side of your screen like change my hero, level up, unit settings, and more. Click the plus ally option. It will spawn your hero as an ally and will appear in the same spot as your hero. You can also use chat to spawn an ally by opening in the chat and typing -create hero and type the hero you want to spawn like this. And that's how to summon ally in Dota 2 demo. Thank you so much for watching.